Yeah, it smells like manure. I don't know. Alright, welcome to the channel. I just purchased this new Saddlemen. It's all LS Stitch. So yeah, this is what it looked like. My first impressions of this, the moment I sat on it, I did not like the seat. This is very stiff, but there's a purpose for that. I took it for a drive, and right away, I'm glued to this. This is where the money's at. I'm gonna get really close to the camera only because I want you guys to see the detail texture on the leather. I want to show you the quality of this seat. Subscribe, you guys are going to see this new exhaust that I purchased, the TBR. That's gonna go on the bike next. So you guys go ahead and subscribe, and then you guys will see that on the bike. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next video.